Hey guys, in this video, we will be guiding you on how to build the popular IKEA Renberget desk chair. Overall, this is an easy build, but if you don't want to use the instructions or you just want to use this video as a guide, feel free to follow along. So let's get started. Just a note, make sure you have all the pieces before you start on your assembly. Most of the parts should be located inside the backrest of the chair. There's a zipper on the back to open it up. You're going to be using the smallest screws to assemble your base. Find the star-shaped base and insert all 5 legs. Start on one leg and fasten the screws tightly using the Allen key. Proceed to do that to the next 4 legs as well. Next, put in the wheel casters directly in the sockets. Make sure you put them straight in and not on an angle. Grab the 4 medium length screws and use those to fasten the mechanism to the underside of the chair seat using the Allen key. Flip the base over and put the cylinder in first, then the chair seat. Make sure you take the protective cap off from the cylinder. Next, you put in the armrests. Make sure you don't fasten the screws tightly because you're going to need some wiggle room when putting in the backrest. Place the backrest flat on the chair seat and align the bottom backrest sockets with the bottom armrest sockets. Screw them in, but not all the way. Lift the backrest into the normal position and then put the last 2 screws. Now fasten all 8 screws tightly so the backrest, the seat, and the armrest won't wiggle. Make sure the mechanisms are all working properly, and now you should have a functioning Renberget desk chair. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Subscribe if you want to see more furniture assembly videos.